Hello everyone. So I have already uploaded about concept of volume strength of H2O2. So my dear students, if you watch these two continuation videos, definitely you will be able to understand what is concept of volume strength of H2O2, and you can do any type of problem in competitive examinations like mains, NEET and as well as advanced. Okay, today I am going to discuss about on two important problems about concept of volume strength of H2O2. The first one is the weight of H2O2 presenting 70 ml of 20V H2O2 solution is. Once again, the weight of H2O2 presenting 70 ml of 20V H2O2 solution is. So according to problem, we need to find weight of H2O2, but we have volume is 70 ml and volume strength is 20. Yes or no? So based on this condition, right? So solution, how to solve this problem? So according to concept of volume strength of H2O2, I have already explained in previous videos, right? 1 liter of H2O2 at STP or NTP. Yes or no? 1 liter of H2O2. How much volume strength we have? 20V. That means 20 liters of oxygen. 20 liters of oxygen should be produced. But according to problem, how much volume we have, sir? 70 ml of H2O2. Converts into liters, 0.07 liters of H2O2 at STP or NTP. Yes or no? 0.07 liters of H2O2 at STP or NTP to produce how much liters of oxygen? Now cross multiplication. 0.07 into 20 liters by 1. Now you will get 1.4 liters of oxygen. Yes or no? 1.4 liters of oxygen with respect to 0.07 liters of H2O2 at STP. So 1 liter of H2O2 at STP or NTP to produce 20 liters of H2O, 20 liters of O2 according to problem. But according to problem, how much milliliters of H2O2 we have? 70 ml. So converts into liters, 0.07 liters of H2O2 to produce at STP. How much? So cross multiplication, 0.07 into 20 liters by 1, you will get 1.4 liters of oxygen. But this is not answer, sir. We need to find weight. So according to H2O2 decomposition equation, H2O2 decomposes H2O plus half moles of oxygen gas. Half mole at STP 1 mole of any gas should occupy 20.4 liters. What about a half mole? 11.2 liters. Yes or no? 1 mole of any gas at STP2 should occupy 20.4 liters. So half moles of a gas at STP, sir, how much? 11.2 liters. So here how much gas we have? 11.2 liters of O2 at STP, which is equal to how many moles of H2O, sir? 1 mole of H2O2. So 1 mole of H2O2 to produce how much liters are at STP? At STP, sir, STP conditions. How much, sir? 11.2 liters of O2. So 1 mole of H2O2 which contain how much gram water weight, sir? 34 grams. Yes or no? Because oxygen is 32 and hydrogen is 2. So total 34 grams. 34 grams of H2O2 at STP should produce 11.2 liters of oxygen. Yes or no? 34 grams of H2O2 at STP to produce 11.2 liters of oxygen. Similarly, how much liters of oxygen we have? 1.4. So 1.4 liters of oxygen should at STP, sir, should contain how much weight? So cross multiplication. So 34 into 1.4 by 11.2. Now you will get 4.25 grams of H2O2. Yes or no? 4.25 grams of H2O2. So according to problem, sir, what is the weight of H2O2, sir? 4.25 grams of H2O2. So this is the way to find weight of H2O2 for given problem. Right? So once again, 1 liter of H2O2 at STP or NTP to produce 20 liters of O2. Similarly, we have 70 ml of H2O2, sir. Converts into liters, 0.07 liters of H2O2 at STP or NTP to produce how much liters of oxygen? Cross multiplication, you will get 1.4 liters of oxygen. So according to H2O decomposed equation, H2O decomposes H2O plus half moles of oxygen. I told you already 1 mole of any gas at STP should occupy 22.4 liters. What are the half moles are? 11.2 liters. So 11.2 liters of oxygen, which is equal to how many moles of H2O2, sir? 1 mole of H2O2. 1 mole of H2O2 weight how much, sir? Gram at weight how much, sir? 34 grams. So 34 grams of H2O2 at STP, 11.2 liters of water is there. Similarly, according to problem, how many liters of oxygen we have? 1.4 liters of oxygen. So 1.4 liters of oxygen should contain how much weight? So cross multiplication, 34 into 1.4 by 11.2, you will get 4.25 grams of H2O2, right? But this is the really time taking process. But what is shortcut, sir? Yes, we have shortcut is there. What is shortcut, sir? Molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. Yes, molarity formula, it is a very well known formula. Yes, sir. What is direct formula for molarity of volume strength of H2O2? I have already explained in previous video, right? V by, here what is V, sir? Volume strength. Volume strength by 11.2 is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. V in liters. So we need to weight, sir. That's why weight keep here. Volume strength into gram molecular weight into V in liters by 11.2. So then weight is equal, here what is V, sir? Volume strength, how much, sir? 20 into, what about gram molecular weight of H2O2, sir? 34 into V liters, 70 ml, converts into liters, 0.07 liters by 11.2. So then W is equal to, weight is equal to how much, sir? 4.25 grams of H2O2, right? 4.25 grams of H2O2. So this is the shortcut method and this is the classical method, right? So I hope you understand these two type of explanation, right? We are going to discuss the next problem. What is the next problem, sir? The volume strength of 1.5 N, here N is normality, H2O2 solution is. Yes, the volume strength of 1.5 N H2O2 solution is, right? So alright, normality. So 1.5 N normality, we have normality, so we need to find volume strength of 1.5 N of H2O2 solution. How much normality here? 1.5 normality. H2O2 solution. Yes, sir, I told you already. Normality, what is direct formula, sir? Normality is equal to volume strength by 5.6. Here what is V, sir? Volume strength. So volume strength is equal to normality into 5.6. So volume strength is equal to normality how much, sir? 1.5. 1.5 into 5.6, you will get 8.4. So this is the volume strength for 1.5 N H2O2 solution, right? So this is a direct formula for normality, volume strength by 5.6. So we need to find volume strength according to this problem. That's why volume strength is keep here and normality into 5.6. So normality, how much normality, are 1.5 into 5.6, you will get 8.4. So this is the second problem. So my dear students, if you watch these two continuation videos, definitely you will understand what is concept of volume strength of H2O2, and definitely you can do any type of problem about volume strength of concept of volume strength of H2O2, right? So thank you.